Go.
So now we're gonna do the FitYoga Salutation, which has a lot of extra stuff in it, which differing from the original ones, but it's a really nice flowing experience. And we are going to do the B plus version, because we have 3 versions, but we do the most complex one. Ready? So, downward facing dog. That's where we start. And I would like you to have a nice deep bend preparation, like froggy jumps, go back, and then look forward when you're jumping, and a nice jump into your chair with an exhalation. Okay, remember your feet are hips width apart, and we learned that we are tilting in, arms up with the fingers, so the focus will be away from the pain what your student's gonna bear, and 5 to 10 deep breaths. It's really tough, but just keep holding, deep breath through your nose, and then a nice inhale, all the way back, exhale, coming all the way down, inhale halfway up, exhale, coming down, inhale halfway up, exhale, bend your knee, jumping back, all the way down, inhale, exhale up, downward facing dog, right leg lifted up, right leg comes in, inhale, reaching up, hold it up. You can see here the leg is turned out, now it's the other way, and straight, very important. And here you see 90 degrees split, the hips opening and the square hips are very important. Now we twist this side. Here you can adjust by pulling that, but the knee needs to be in. And hold it 5 deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, place your left hand down. And right arm reaching up. And here we need to push ourselves away from the floor. Okay? Make sure that your heel is active as well, and your fingers are open. Hasta Bandha, Pada Bandha engaged, and you can see how nicely we need to also twist our cervical vertebrae, our neck. And then here you can, if you want, we can do 3 nice waves. 1, 2, 3. Inhale, coming up. Inhale up, and exhale. We go into our warrior 2 position. Reaching all the way up. Remember, the hips need to be open up here. Reaching high up. Breathe deep through your nose. Again, 5 deep breath, and we can do another 5 or 3 turns backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th we move up. Inhale and exhale, touching the floor. Close your legs. Close your legs. Coming down all the way, and nice inhale, cobra, exhale, downward facing dog, inhale, lift up your left leg, exhale, put your leg in, inhale, nice reaching up, remember straight leg, pulling back your heel, 90 degrees, toes up, Pada Bandha engage, squeeze, squeeze, arms reaching up high, chin is nicely engaged, and twist. And we are turning, lifting up, and breathe deep through your nose. Inhale after 5 deep breath up, and exhale, place your right hand. And now we have a deeper one, pushing yourself away, open your fingers, active, hold it there, nice, coming back. 1, 2, 3, inhale up, inhale, and exhale, placing your left hand down, very firm, Pada Bandha, firm, opens, hips open, arm is moving up, and you can see that the head is turning all the way out, very nice. Active, 3 turns or 5 turns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Open up, inhale, turning down, exhale, coming down, all the way down. Inhale, cobra, exhale, downward facing dog. Let's jump back to chair pose because this is the easier version. We didn't do the waves, now we do with the waves. Inhale up and we chaturanga. Exhale down, inhale halfway up, exhale down, inhale halfway up, exhale jumping back, chaturanga. This is the harder version, come higher up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your knees down, 5 waves. 1, let's do 3 waves. 2, very nice. And the last one, 3, upward facing dog. Moving back, downward facing dog. And right leg is up. Right leg comes in. Now we just do high lunge, inhale up, exhale coming down, all the way down. Inhale cobra, exhale downward dog, left leg is up, inhale. Exhale, pull your left leg in. Inhale, nice and reaching up. Exhale, coming down. Up and downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done.
Finish.